finding your video genre and format on YouTube. This is the second lesson, and we are going to review some types of content for YouTube and some genres. So here you can see a list, which is not the full list, of course. We are going to review just a part because there are many more genres and types of videos. I have chosen some genres only from perspective of what one beginning YouTuber can produce with basic necessary skills for production. But note that some examples I will use, they are actually high-end production, and it doesn't mean that you cannot produce something like that. You can copy with equipment that you have, but your skills will allow you to be closer to this example. So this is what I plan to review with you. We will talk about journalists' videos, something like news, but it's not TV news, it's YouTube format, reviews, videos, compilations, tutorials, shows, radio, interviews, chats, talks, expert videos, DIY or how-to, real life or vlogs, technology reviews, top lists, informational videos, gaming, motivational video, success stories or principles, kids channels, and more. And I think that maybe you think, why do you have to watch all of those videos on genres that you are not going to do? For example, if you are not interested in gaming, you might think, why should I watch this? But I advise you to go through all the videos so that you have a wider understanding of the industry. So here is a list of my understanding, my points. Why do you have to go through all videos and gain an understanding? Because it might give you unexpected content ideas. You might not know that these genres are popular and even can be applied to your industry or to your topic, and by knowing how it looks, maybe you will find that this is the genre that you should go with. Second is because when you know more about the industry, you have more chances of succeeding, because you will know how industry develops, what was acceptable by viewers in the past. It is not acceptable anymore. So the trends are changing, the expectations from the content production are changing, and viewers became more demanding. So you need to understand what works in the industry and what's popular, not because you will chase popularity in case you want to be, you know, just doing what you are passionate about. But what I want to say is that you need to understand where the attention of the viewer stops. That's why we're going to review those genres, because if they exist and if people are watching, there is a reason for this. And because, number three, because you can combine genres. You can have also unexpected combinations of genres. You can create your own genre maybe, because most of the very successful channels, they were genres that didn't exist before. So it's going to be your competitive force. And number four, because you might decide to do more than one channel in different genres, which is also possible. So let's go ahead and see some videos.